This feeling inside, I'm not gonna go so past the best I can do. My gift is my song and this one's for you. We have some potatoes and this is bon. Smells so good. Smells so good. Cabbage is in. I like my cabbage to have the flavor of the soup. That's how we like it here. And I put the celery also. I love the flavor of celery in this soup. So amazing. And at this point you want to taste your meat to make sure you have enough flavor. It has enough flavor. If it needs a little bit more salt, and everything that you're doing, add a little bit of salt, you know, to bring out flavor. Like this one, you don't want it to be too salty, but a little bit of salt while this is boiling. And some épices, and even your pasta water, you want to add a little bit of salt. And I also like to add some garlic. For some of it, I'm gonna use my daughter with some like spaghetti, just like with hot dog and shrimp. So I'm gonna make like use maybe a quarter of this for her spaghetti, and then the rest is gonna go in the soup. It's looking good. At this point, we can start adding the meat and the macaroni in there. I don't like to add too much. I just add as much that I'm going to use. That way it doesn't absorb all the flavor, all the juiciness. Pot is kind of full, and it already had some of the sauce from the meat, from the beef. So just gonna let this cook. Now you can taste it and see if you need a little bit, if you want to add a little bit more salt. And I'm going to add some butter. Where's my student? Daddy. Add a little bit of salt. Let this cook slowly. So the soup should be ready in about about 15 minutes, 15-20 minutes. I like it to have all the goodness. Oh, I'm going to add the carrots. we couldn't find carrots, so we have a mixture of carrots with peas. I'm gonna try a little bit of it to see if it's not gonna mess it up, but hopefully not. So it's almost ready in like 30 minutes. Soup is ready. Look at this goodness. Wow.